guys, this is Sanskriti and I study 8th standard, and today's our topic is really interesting topic because we are making a video on uh, technology. So technology of the Japan. So we all of us knows that Japan is a uh, very developed country, and develop is very Japan is very intelligent. Japan is very intelligent country, and though we have no chance to speak about their technologies mistakes. So but today I'm going to tell you the 5 technologies of the Japan country, and 5 technologies of Japan. So today's our topic is really interesting topic, and I hope you like my video. So let's without wasting any time, let's get started. We all of us knows that cleaning our country is very important, but so many people uh, doesn't like to clean the country. So they thought that uh, I doesn't put this garbage, so why I clean it. So the cleaners of the India, the workers, they clean that. So it is not my work. So we not this things not happened in Japan. In Japan, the cleaners thought that what should I clean now? What should I clean today? So because that country is very clean country, and people kept it very clean, and it is a very big problem in our India, that is cleanness of the country. So in Japan, people thought that it is my work to clean my country, and in India, people thought that it is not my work to clean the country, it is a work of the cleaners. So why should I clean it? So without wasting any more time, let's get started. The second is education system. In their education system, before the starting their next class, 3 years they teach how to discipline, and how to work, and how to become a good person, and good habits. They teach only that before starting school. 3 years they teach to their children in their schools how to behave good behaviors, and after that they started teaching to their childrens, and this is their so that's why their childrens or their peoples are very intelligent. So after that, the next thing is that first then cleanness, second is educational system. They uh, they likes their systems, and if their systems are very different from whole world, so that's why they are the intelligent country, and Japan is too much developed, because the Japan is a very little country than the India, but it is very intelligent and developed than India. Next is that the respect, the politeness. If someone is standing in front of they talk to them politely, and they keep the respect of that people, even that the people is younger than them, or that the people is elder than them. And politeness and respect is very important and initial in their life. So uh, next one is that thing, uh, in no use phones in trains. So if you are traveling by train, don't use the phones. And because I don't know, but it is a rule of the Japan, if you use the phone while traveling by the train, you got punishment. So next one is that thing, uh, in the Japan there is there is no cleaners or no workers in their schools. Their schools clean by the children's. Their students clean that the all of that their schools. Their children's clean their schools. And there is no the helpers, or there is no the cleaners, and there is no workers in their school. Even we also clean our school. And in Japan also, students clean their schools. It is good thing that to clean our school, because in our India we thought that school is the temple of God, temple of education. And this is that's why to following the systems, so that's why the Japan is very developed and intelligent country. So we all of us knows that Japan is a very intelligent country. And so it is intelligent because of this systems. And in Japan, people keeps respect, people keep their country clean. And students clean their country. And their educational system is very you know that their educational system is very higher. And their rules are very strict, and all people follows them. So this is our today's video, and I hope you like, and I also like. And thank you guys.